If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Separate from the appearance of the data entry screen for your sales forms also have a PDF version that shows the results of the data entry as a PDF you send to customers. You can customize the PDF version of a sales form by using custom form styles in QuickBooks Online. However, using the custom form styles in QuickBooks Online can change the data entry screens a bit. For example, using a custom form style for invoices removes the Email View and PDF View tabs from the invoice data entry screen. Many companies may not need to use custom form styles, as many of their customization features also appear within the Design section of the Manage pane at the right side of the invoice data entry window. By default, the invoice uses the Modern template within the Modernized template section of the Design pane, and your design changes in this pane change the settings of that template unless you select a different custom form template, which appear in the Other Templates section. To customize the appearance of invoices and estimates, if using the default Modern template, click the Manage button in the toolbar at the top of the Invoice or Estimate window to show or hide a pane at the right side of the window. To change the pane settings, click a Customization Settings category button to show its options below it. Then, click to toggle the switches on or off, or select choices using the buttons in a section to customize both the data entry version of the form and its modern template. The Customization Settings section contains toggle switches that you can enable or disable to show or hide the related fields. The Table Content section shows the fields that appear in the Line Items table. To edit these labels, if desired, click the Edit Labels link here. Type the new labels you want in the Edit Labels pane that then appears, and click the Save button in it to save your changes. The Payment Options settings section for invoices, or the Discounts and Fees settings section for estimates, lets you click toggle switches to turn on or off all the payment methods, as well as the invoice total, shipping, deposit for invoices, discount, and multi-currency features. The Design Settings section lets you select an option button to choose the default Modern template or one of the custom form templates. If you select the Modern template, then you can select the form's color and font here too. The Payment Link toggle switch lets you add a payment link to the PDF invoice if using QuickBooks Payments. The Scheduling Settings section contains toggle switches and settings for recurring versions of the form, customer send options, and invoice reminders. Alternatively, you can create and apply a custom form style for invoices, estimates, and sales receipts in QuickBooks Online. To create a new custom form style in QuickBooks Online, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar, and then click the Custom Form Styles link under the Your Company heading in the menu that appears to open the Custom Form Styles page. Click the New Style drop-down button in the upper right corner of the page, and then click the type of form style to create by selecting either Invoice, Estimate, or Sales Receipt from the drop-down menu that appears. The new form style then opens in a new window where you can customize its settings. All changes you make in this window are saved automatically when you click the Preview PDF or Done button. To name the custom form style, Type a name into the field in the upper left corner of the window. To customize the form, then change the settings on its design, content, and emails tabs. We will examine the settings on each tab in detail in separate lessons. To close the form without saving it, click the X button in the upper right corner of the form customization window. Then click the Exit Without Saving button in the confirmation dialog box that appears. If you do not do this, each form you create is saved to QuickBooks Online, although you can delete them after saving them in the Custom Form Styles list. In the Form Customization window, you use the buttons in the toolbar at the bottom of the window to preview and close the form. To save the form and preview its PDF, click the Preview PDF button to open a PDF preview of the form in a new window. You can close this window after viewing it. To save the form into the Custom Form Styles list after creating it and changing its name, click the Done button in the toolbar. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.